Well, the open house, it gives us the full range of our machines from the GENOS machines I mentioned to our high-end Maltus and MU Okuma machines. We've also got the Keno EDM range and also the new Makino DA300 package machine.
So on our stand today we've got some power skiving tools. So at the moment there's quite a big push on power skiving in industry. A lot more customers are considering it and trying to bring those processes in-house.
We're showing our gear cutting tooling basically. We've got skiving cutters, gear milling.
We're able to demonstrate today 2 or 3 of our products that are very popular with Okuma users. Both prismatic clamping for their milling machines and rotational clamping for their rotary blades.
Well, this is a bit of a pre-Mac show for us. Good range of the machines here will be on the Mac stand, plus we'll have a couple of new Okumas which have got the new Okuma P500 control on them.
Got lots of new products launched at Mac, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to Mac.
Really excited actually. It's going to be my first time on the stand at Mac. Intimidating a little bit, but I'm quite excited to see people and a lot of people from my area and get them to come and have a look at the machines we've got there. I mean,
Obviously you get to see the latest kit. You can see different types of machines, maybe machines that they've not considered before, and they can see those machines in action.
For both Makino and Okuma, we're certain the longevity of the machines, the solid build quality of them means that they do last and they do remain in tolerance. We've got machines that are 30 years plus still running 24/7 out in the field.